Our Impulse Extreme is an electric bar welder designed to heat seam panels, make pockets, and weld zipper on the edge of panels. The Impulse machine can be manufactured for almost any seam width you need, from 10 millimeters to 25 millimeters, and it comes in two lengths, 3.5 meters and 6 meters, so you can choose the best setup for your need, making the machine a great solution for both your awnings and shades, as well as a variety of other products. Easy to use with very little skill set, the Impulse machine can be used with both thermoplastic materials and acrylic fabrics such as Sunbrella. Designed with an HDMI for easy recipe recall, a rack and pinion pressure bar for evenly distributed heat and pressure, a table layout to make material handling easy, and laser lines and magnetic holders for easy, accurate material lineup, this machine gives you the precise weld you need with very little operator skill set. Starting at about $950 per month, the Impulse Extreme can help make your awning and shade production easier and your business grow.